Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today I got one of the baddest analog watch faces to review. This one here is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now I'm simply just trying to get you ready for the weekend. I spent $1 on this one and it's worth every penny. Now Adrian, OZ, Big Bill, all of you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or if it's a leave it right where it's at. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's check out this watch face. Now the name of it is called Prometeo Silver. It's a very nice looking analog watch face. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. Now, once the watch face is on, you get a luxury, elegant look. I like the hands on here, very premium. Same thing with the second hand is going smoothly around the bezel of the watch. Gives it a lot of class as well. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your day. You're going to get your date. In the middle dial, you're going to get your month. The dial to the left, you're going to get your 24-hour time, and the dial to your right, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, down here at the bottom, you get a nice digital time. It doesn't look out of place. It looks like it fits right in with the rest of the watch face. I'm telling you, this one looks nice, and it is interactive. So if I tap here, it'll bring up my heart rate information. If I tap right here, I can get my calendar, set an event, and of course, if I tap down here, I got my recents that I can go into. So I thought that was a nice touch for a casual watch face. Nothing's in the way. You still get a nice, elegant look out of this one, but we're not done yet, people. So if I tap right here, you're going to get a menu. Now, here's a few things that you can customize with this watch face, which I really love. They took it over the top so far. The price that's been put on this watch face. Now, I could change the color of the dials. You're going to get like 8 that you're going to be able to change to, and they all look nice, people. They all look nice. So let's leave it, let's say right there for a second, and then if I want to, I can change the background to 8 different colors as well. Kind of mix and match what you want to have. I'm telling you, this watch face is off the charts for $1. You can't beat this, people. You cannot beat it. Very nice look. Now, I could change the hour hands, as you can see. Change it to whatever look you want it to be. Let's change this to that color, and let's change the hour hand black. And then the second hand you can customize to whatever color you would like. Leave that one black. Same thing with the hands and the dials. They change to as well, and you get an FX effect. I don't like the FX effect. If you look at it, it really doesn't look nice to me. I would leave it right here. Has a better look to it. But let's change the background for you. Now, what do you think, people? I thought the developer got down on this one. I thought it was worth the $1 that they're charging for it. It could be more. This could have been a watch face that was worth $1.50 or $2. But again, people, that's going to be totally up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it a download or if it's a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.